नमस्कार। आज हमारे साथ मिस्टर कुमार विनीत सिन्हा हैं, डिप्यूटी जनरल मैनेजर महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा। ही टेक्स केयर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, एरोस्पेस, डिफेंस एंड यंग माइंड्स टॉक शो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर।
Thank you, Shefali, for inviting me today.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure is all ours. So due to this lockdown, we thought of leveraging your experience and reaching out to mass of students, because we understand that a lot of students who did not get their summer internship this year, they have a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear factors in them, that what will happen to us, what will happen to our final placements. So you being a visiting faculty, you being a campus recruitment guy, who has visited a lot of institutes, have been a keynote speaker and a guest lecture specialist. So we would like you to give some valuable inputs, some advices and suggestions to these students.
Okay, so very good afternoon to everyone who is watching this interview. And first and foremost, I would like to tell to all the young budding leaders who are doing their management courses, not to get depressed, not to get demotivated at this point of time. It's a normal situation. There are a lot of ups and downs in life. So this is also a new normal, and people need to come out of it. We need to make our own existence with all these situations that has happened. Uh, as far as the placements are concerned, the summer internships are very critical for management students, and this is just the first step for them to get inside the corporate journey. And believe me, the corporate journey is a fantastic way, and the summer interns or the summer project that you undergo are especially the first step for you to take the best out of it. For me, it has been my personal challenge, and I love to go for various sessions, go to various colleges for guest lectures, and I interact with a lot of students. So for me, I thought if I'm working from home right now, why not give some more time to the young leaders? And I took this as a challenge, and I gave opportunity to four summer interns who are currently doing a virtual internship with me. I am their project guide. I am their project mentor right now, and I have given them topics related to their choice, their specialization. Although I'm from HR, I thought that why HR? I've been working for last 17 years, and I understand how the corporate setup or a manufacturing setup it works. So people, they are doing their research in marketing research, operations management, even supply chain management, and one is into HR. So for me, it was actually a passion to engage them, just to see that how they can shape themselves up. And obviously, for me, they have been doing pretty well. I keep on discussing with them. So twice in a week, I have set up a call with them for half an hour, just to understand what kind of project they are, how they are shaping up, and what kind of assistance that is required from my end. So obviously they cannot do a lot of things, especially from the kind of domain industry which I am working currently in Mahindra. There are a lot of informations which are not so much evident on the internet. So they need to do the hard work, and that's the beauty of it. So I give them the tip, they work on it, and they come back to me if they have got any kind of a questions. And it's an open invitation for all the other students who believe that they have not got their summer internship. And I believe there are a lot of HR people who would love to do virtual summer projects with them, because it is not involving any kind of infrastructure, it is not involving any kind of an IT setup. So obviously, you have your own, you are the creator for your own project, and there are a lot of HR people, or there are a lot of good corporate people who are ready to give projects on such basis right now.
I think, sir, this is a very valuable input, because where students are juggling with all these issues, and great leaders like you coming out and helping them, mentoring them with the project of their choice. Otherwise, what we have heard is that management says that we have this project, please come if you want, if you are interested. But you are offering them that you can do the project of your choice. That is very thoughtful, sir. And I think this is a beautiful platform which you have created. We will try to
very
reach
much.
out your video to masses of students so that a lot of people can take benefit, can approach to industry experts, and can approach to you as well in case you can help out some more people.
Sure, sure, Shefali. And I just wanted to add one more thing. I reckon my days when I was doing my internship during 2003 summers, wherein I had got all the opportunities to do a lot of things. And how I used to sit in the cyber cafe and then take out the printouts, left, right, and center, do a Googling, make a report. And I had got all the leisures to actually do a part-time job in a call center to earn some money as well. So the kind of you can say the seriousness that I had during my internship, and there were a lot of people who were doing it. I can name them, but they might be offended. So we were all a bunch of students who were very serious about it, but still we felt that the corporates were not very serious that point of time. So my mentors probably they thought that let's give a project and then sit back and relax, and at the end of the duration they will come and submit the report, and that's what we did. So at our time there were there were not enough of hand holding as such, but yes, we had a lot of time to do something extra. So there were a lot of extracurricular activities, but now things have changed. So by this the project that I have assigned to them, they are basically they would be more focused, and for me it gives me more time to actually reevaluate all the projects. So any student who is doing a summer internship under my guidance, he has to take it very seriously, because whatever I have done during my days, I'll ensure that they are not going to do it. And for me, it has to be a win-win situation for the organization as well as for the students to learn. So for us, it is important that the organization should get benefited from the report, whatever they do. So for a period of 45 days or 60 days, whatever the duration of the project, they need to understand one thing very clearly, that whatever report they are submitting will be validated thoroughly, and it would be in the best interest of the organization as well as for them as well. So for tomorrow, if they go for their final placements, most of the organizations, when they come for the interview, especially the HR people, they ask lot of questions related to the project that they have worked upon. So these students who are there into their first to second years now, so they need to be very, very particular about what they are talking to their interviewer at the final placement stage, because there are few who are actually having an experience while coming and joining a management college, while others, they are all freshers. They are coming from a normal colleges, and they are all freshers, and they are joining good management colleges. So for them, the project report holds lot of key. So whatever they have done, it impresses the interviewer if it is to a good value, and that makes a lot of sense for them to do a future journey in the corporate world.
Absolutely. I think, sir, this is a real life example of where there is a will, there is a way.
Correct.
Some students, if they are trying to find out an excuse that we did not get summer internship, so there are a lot of solutions which are available, and there are a lot of people who are ready to give an extended helping hand.
Correct,
so
correct,
thank you
correct,
so much
Shefali.
for your valuable input, sir. And thank you so much for coming live on Young Minds Talk Show. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shefali. Stay safe, stay home, and I expect my viewers to also be very safe, and we will all win. We shall overcome one day, and all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.